Hey guys, so I wanted to show you real quick, if you're thinking about high level, how to utilize high level, just real quick wanted to show you how you can take a list and import it and how easy it is to import it. You know, utilize your list that you have, or maybe you have clients list and you want to import their list and kind of get them started. You log into high level. Over here on the left, you just click on contacts, okay? Click here on this little up arrow. Click import, then this is a new window, click upload a file. Choose your file, click next. Now what it's going to try to do is going to try to put those in the columns associated with the different labels that you have on there, okay? So it may or may not recognize it. For instance, I had this in the dummy as IP address, but really it's phone number. So no problem, just click right here, select phone. And up here, this is ID. We could make this anything we wanted to. Let's just leave it blank. So if you leave something blank, let's just say you have 10 blank things you don't want to, or maybe it's got other information there and you don't really care about it. Just click don't import data, unmatched columns. Click next. Now, what do you want to name the file? Test list import. Now, what I like to do is create a list of contacts from the import, and that's kind of a cool thing. One other thing you can do is also, if you hit this little drop down where it says advanced, if so, it will update the record if there's any new information. If there's not anybody with an email, then it'll add a new contact, okay? Now, if everybody on the list is already in there, then you can click update, but I always use this one right here to update, or you can choose phone, okay, whichever one. Now, this is a key that I like to use right here. Let's say your list is dental. Or maybe this is a list of old contacts. You could put old contacts. And now when this list is imported, it will add that tag on there. And when that happens, you'll be able to go back and filter it later on. It's kind of a handy feature. Maybe you want to put the date 7722, you know, whatever you want. You can put as many tags as you want in there. You can also add to a workflow or campaign. If you have a, you could go ahead and when you hit submit, it'll add it. Or if you have a trigger to fire on the tag. But anyway, so that's how you do it. Just click submit. Now, if you want to see if it's a huge list, it may take it a few minutes to update. But if you want to see kind of where you're at, in here you can see it's already completed. You have all the details there. You can see how many were updated. So basically, it said that there were 421 people added that had good emails or good phone numbers. 507 did not. This is a dummy list, so clearly a lot of those are not going to be any good. But the list was 1,000 people, and so they're all in there. Now, where are they? Go to contacts. Here's all of the people I just added. Here's the list that I created. Now you could go in and, you know, you could run all your different campaigns. You could send text messages. You could add them to a workflow, send them an email, ask for a review or whatever. But now you have that in there as a smart list, okay? And there are so let's say you import that for a client and you're an agency and you import that. You could add that for them and just say, hey, this is your list right here. And then that way you can always go back in the future. Let's say you add more to this old contacts list. Well, now you could go in and say, well, who was added on 7/7? Let me look here. Tag is 7/7, apply. And there's all the people that were added on 7/7. Hope that helps. Pretty cool little deal there to, you know, on how you can use that. If you want more information about, you know, high level, how it works, how it can work for you, click below. You can get the 14-day trial and check it out. Love it though. It's an awesome system, whether you're an agency or, you know, you're handling a bunch of clients, or maybe just have one or two, and, you know, you can keep all your contacts in this one. Basically, this is the CRM portion, and there's a lot more that you can do in here, but maybe save that for another video. And so anyway, hope that helps you.